Welcome to Emma. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider 5 basic stitches. The first stitch, running stitch. I have said about this stitch before. You can refer the link below the description or in the right corner of this video. And the waves running stitch. First, embroider the running stitch. The variation of the running stitch. Now, pass the needle under each stitch in one direction. Three, the back stitch. I also have said about this stitch before. Please review the previous video tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to MSC channel to watch more tutorial videos and new unique embroidery designs. Four, with back stitch. This is also a variation of the back stitch. So I embroider a back stitch first. This variety of the back stitch with a twist effect like what you like see a whip running stitch. Take another color thread and pass the needle under each stitch in one direction. Five, surface catching stitch. To start, bring a thread and put it follow the shape you want. Use the other color thread to secure the last thread by a small stitch. Using contrasting color can create nice and interesting variations. This method can be used to match outlines. A layer of this stick can be matched to fill in patterns. You can also secure the threads like this. I will apply this stitch in small flowers embroidery video tomorrow. You remember forward to it. Thank you.